Goodbye.
Goodbye. Be safe.
This is 10 a.m. news. There is a blizzard in southern Ontario.
Oh, I hope our son is going to be okay.
The phone lines are down. We can't call the school.
Hi. Do you guys need anything?
Yes, our son is stuck at school.
What did you do yesterday?
I slept in the library and threw snowballs at my friends all day.